going on, everybody? Good morning. It is currently 4:31 a.m. We are headed to the spot. Big day ahead of us. We got a nice little loaded mallard and widgeon hole on some public land this morning. Kind of off a little 2-track road. A little walk into this. It's pretty loaded. Should be a good duck hunt this morning, and then it's also pheasant opener. So we're gonna hopefully shoot our ducks in the morning, and then at 10 o'clock we'll be walking a couple spots here, and hopefully we shoot a couple pheasants today too. But it starts with what's in the can, of course. Today I have a C4 Skittles flavored. I've heard great things about these. Never had the Skittles flavor. I've only had one C4 in my life, but we're gonna get her a crack. It smells good. It's definitely Skittles. Packs a punch. You taste the rainbow in this one. But yeah, decent drink. We're gonna pass it on.
All right, boys
and girls.
Demographic should say few girls, but this morning I am grabbing the bull by the horns. 2 of the bulls. And we're gonna take this here. And we're gonna give this a try. This is a big one. This isn't one of those little ones. This is a big one. You know, I'm a fan of original energy drinks. This is
no Red Bull.
This
it
is good.
tastes a lot like original Monster.
It does. It does. I'm a fan. Thank you, Nolan. But no,
I still think Red Bull tastes better.
Don't worry, guys in the club. Purple Drank will be back. But today, original energy drink review. Solid.
There we go. Solid up front. See what the back has to say.
Well, guys, I don't know what's going on in the front seat this morning because Jack's got a top 3 worst energy drink, and Noel's gonna be itching in his boots in about 20 minutes here. So
you think Red Bull's top 3 worst energy drink?
It might be original Red Bull.
That is the building blocks of energy drink.
I think that might have been your
Take that to the bank.
I think that might have been your top 3 most dumb statements ever.
Anyways, Storm Valencia Orange again. Yeah. Couldn't find anything unique today, so back to it. Tastes like a Sunny D. 200 millis. Can't go wrong.
Hey, Dave.
Nothing in the can today, but I was gonna say the same thing as Ryan. Noel's gonna be sitting on some pins and needles.
I don't itch from C4s. They don't even touch me.
It's gonna be itching like you walked through a patch of poison ivy.
You could have ants crawling on.
I got a little special little treat for you guys today. I picked up Little Debbie's best piece of food on the market, and then because it's the season, I got 2 nice juicy Honey Crisps today.
What do you got?
Honey Crisps. Honey Crisps, not just apples. But yeah, happy fall, guys. We don't say it enough, but hope you guys are doing well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the spot.
Alright guys, we got about 10 minutes till shooting light here. We're in a public spot today that Nolan found, kind of a little hidden spot. You can only see it if you walk in here. And we've had a bunch of ducks showing up really early here, like a pile of ducks. And we got a really good northwest wind this morning.
Look at this one.
And they're already doing it really good. So we're pretty hopeful. Hopefully they don't all come too early here, but I don't think that'll really be a problem. But hopefully we can get you guys a good video today. I think it's gonna be pretty sweet here. So we'll get back to you when the action starts. No, kill that greenhead.
Can you shoot, please?
Yes. Kill that. Kill that. Nice. One right here. Widgeon.
Shoot that Nolan.
Oh. Right in front. Right in front.
me what I should
This?
kill those two.
Nice shot.
I got a shit ton of cattail over here. We cannot see anything. Sound like Alex.
Shout out Alex Stahl. Oh, big group of ducks. Oh.
Diver.
Yep.
Oh, see these couple in front? See these 3? Yep.
Okay,
No, kill a green. Kill a green out of it. Nice.
Nice,
Oh, right here in the decoys. Divers. Oh, you got it. Oh! Holy cow. Yeah, what are they doing? Get that one down there.
Swat that one quick.
Get that one over there.
Swat that one.
Oh, single here, single right here. Group coming. Holy cow. What do we have here?
I'm guessing widgeon. Ryan, you see these?
Oh shit.
Ah,
That's a little far.
kill that one.
One?
Oh, kill another one. Oh, greenhead.
Is that a greenhead?
Pretty sure. He's coming around. Couple singles right here, pair of singles.
What is this guy?
What is this guy?
Whack him.
7?
A lot.
He's dead. Right here.
Oh yeah. There we go.
You're dead.
That's not
Oh, heads up. Somebody give him a swat.
What's going on here?
Couple here.
low.
Kill these once they get in. Kill that one. 9. Oh, 3 more right here. Running clip. Here we go. Let's mop these 3, okay? Yum, yum, get you some.
Take him.
Nice.
Yeah, boys.
Let's pop these. Ryan, you ready? I'm ready.
Oh, Lord.
You ready? I'm always ready to mop some ducks. Oh boy. I can't. Did you get any?
I got one. Turning into a 3-pack quickly. Single's still coming.
Yep.
Right on the water. Guys.
Oh, these 2 are running. Oh, what?
Ryan, you gave him no chance.
Someone killed that.
I was on him like stink on poop.
Somebody kill him. Kill him, Ryan.
Oh!
Nice.
Spoon down.
What's going on, Jack?
Why'd you do that? I didn't do it. It did it on its own.
Did Dave get him? Well, guys, update for you. We're at 19 ducks after 23 minutes. They're doing it pretty greasy today with this wind. They're just eating up the spread, coming in tight to the bank. And the boys have been mopping, killing them dead. So, 5 more to go. Kind of just looking like wedge.
Milk?
Okay. Alright, this one. Kill it. Oh. Yep. Alright,
Yeah, boys.
I only have 1 shot. No. No. Okay, dead. Right, all filled. Okay. Spoonie.
Gosh, kids just poking today.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we just got out with our limit here. We just got our 24 ducks, but before we get done with this video, still ducks coming in here. We just want to take a moment to talk about TideWE. We've been partnered with them this season, and we've been running their waders here. We got 3 different kinds of waders. We got the DeepWades, the Breathables, and the neoprenes. I have the neoprenes on right now. Noel's got the DeepWades on. Then those 2 boys have other pairs of neoprenes on, but they've been good for us so far this season. I don't know, Nolan, do you want to hit on anything else?
We did post a video about maybe a little over, I don't know when you'll see this one, but maybe there's a TideWE video where I did a little bit of a run through of these DeepWade chest waders. You can go check that out, but yeah, use code ERW100 at checkout. I'll link that down below in this video. If you want to get $100 off on these particular waders, and then everything else store-wide at TideWE is going to be under the code ERW18, and whatever you want to get, they just put in added layout blinds. They got a whole bunch of heated jackets and stuff, especially with this cold front coming next week. If you're looking to try to stay warm in the field, but all that is under code ERW18 at checkout. So go check TideWE out. They got a ton of great products for a very affordable price. So yeah, we gotta go pick up some birds here, get the decoys on the rigs, and we'll be out of here.
Yep.
All right, guys, we got 6 minutes till it's pheasant killing time.
You doing an update right now?
Yeah.
You gonna walk with the camera or something?
Dave and I are both gonna wear GoPros.
Oh, sick.
Okay, so this might be the end of the video, or if Dave and I get good stuff on the GoPros,
It's just the beginning.
there might be some cock killing on the video today. So if not, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you give us a comment. We are running out of ideas for what's in the cans, so if you guys have an energy drink that we haven't tried yet, drop it down below and we'll find her and give her a rip. But otherwise, yeah, follow us on Instagram, follow our TikTok. We post on that stuff quite frequently. But thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
Nice, guys. Oh, that'll work.
Might have to shoot them over top or something.
Yeah, we can.
Well, they're setting up actually.
They're specs.
Oh. Did you get any?
Shoot.
If you want to.
Kill those boys. Get that low one. Nice.
Look her up.
Yeah, I think they got out of the field, but there's some of them are going back down.
Oh my gosh.
Kill him.
Kill him. Nice! Oh, that was sick video. Did you see? He was feet down on you. Oh, he's up. That was sick video.
Oh my god.
He dropped on you.
I couldn't shoulder my gun.
Holy
There's
cow.
another goose to the right there. That one that was circling around.
Like a
Let that dog on him.
Yeah, he is. Holy crap. Follow a
He
blood
was
trail.
close. Holy crap.
Maybe we don't have to change the spread.
Maybe not. Where are they? Oh. Any bands?
Yeah, hop up and shoot him whenever. Nice.
Hey. Nice job, boys. Good. All right, guys, it's about 10 o'clock here. Had some weird stuff happening. Roost to the east of us here started unloading into a bean field, and then they got up and came over here. We're picking off on some weary birds here. We got 8 down now, and it's kind of picking up. We'll see if we get some more flight. Definitely been a late flight today, calm and sunny, but we'll keep you posted here when we get some more action.
All right, guys, we're finishing up here. We ended with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 birds. Shot some, not too bad. They ended up doing some weird stuff. Went to beans. They were working us weird. We moved stuff around a couple times and it didn't seem to help. So birds really just didn't know what they wanted, I guess. But ended with 8. I don't know what else to say. Appreciate the invite from Caden here. That was sweet. Didn't have anything great planned, but got to come and hunt with some new guys, which was a lot of fun. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.